Come on.
Record their reaction.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
You don't stop biting my hands, I'm gonna bite yours.
Wonder why there's dogs, like, not wanting to go downstairs. Oh. Oh.
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty.
One at a time. What? Maya, are you serious? Is there any order? My God.
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire battle.